Today, we're talking about a piece of technology that might not be in everybody's spotlight, but it's very important for the notification of safety and operation in many industries. No matter what business sector you work in, you will come across buzzers, klaxons, sirens to notify you of what is happening in the environment. Multiple different sounds can be confusing to people, and that can be dangerous. For example, fire alarms that sound like a machine or process warning. Meet the Nortek VMMS Message Annunciator system. It's a name that might sound straightforward, but what it actually does is really clever. The device can store and play multiple audio messages. That makes it perfect for fire suppression alert, process or machine warnings, or even public announcements. Wherever you need an audible announcement, the VMMS can deliver. The VMMS is most commonly used in fire suppression systems around the world. Imagine that you're in a vehicle or an industrial setting and the fire suppression system kicks in. This device doesn't just sound an alarm, it tells you what's happening. Messages like fire system deployed, fire system OK, these can all be triggered based on real-time data. So instead of beeps or lights, you get a clear vocal instruction on what is happening. A real upgrade in experience in terms of safety and clarity. And if you're using it in a vehicle, it's E-mark, which means it's certified for vehicle applications. If you're in industry, public transport, fire suppression, this might just be the device which changes how you handle those alerts for the better. That's it for today. If you want more information on the VMMS, head to the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.